Hi everyone, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. This is Melanie, and today we are focusing on day 10 of December Daily. And today's story is about the new decor pieces that I've added to my collection. So I have 3 gnome pictures. So like I made gnomes for my friends, I also made some for my own. These ones I did a little bit different. I actually used some fun fur for their beards instead of making it from yarn. So I have those 3, plus I have these little houses that I had picked up at the Target Bullseye, Dollar Spot, whatever it's called. So I was thinking, because I already have pictures of gnomes elsewhere, I still want to document these, but they don't need to be front and center. And so in one of the items from the advent calendar, the crafty advent calendar, there was this little bag, and I thought that might look kind of cute on this page here. It ties in a little more of the red from this side, and that I could just add these gnome pictures in the pocket, and then the houses themselves I could add maybe on the exterior of the pocket, maybe, I'm thinking. And then over here I was thinking I could put the number, which I haven't picked out. And then I do have a few more photos. I do have a picture showing how I incorporated the gingerbread, this little configuration here with this little gnome that my sister made me, it was last year I think. And then over on this side I have some new decor pieces. I made a, what do you call it, a banner for the fireplace, some new towels, I did a floral arrangement, and some picture frames. And then I don't know if I'm going to include this one in here. We'll see if I've got space. And I have a story relating to this picture. Basically, I was all ready to do my decorating and I couldn't find my keys, and it kind of stalled things, and I panicked a little bit. But I did get them eventually. So anyways, that's that story. I've got 2 pages here. It worked out that these ornaments were in here, and I just noticed this is upside down. So we need to fix that. So this ornament page is in here. And you know, we're talking decor, so that is that, and I think that's all the space I'm gonna need. So let me get working and pull some stuff from my kit and put this together. Okay, so this turned into a little bit of something more, but that's what's great about this project, right? You know, you can go with the flow and see what comes up. So I added a piece of red cardstock here at the bottom and then mounted the pocket on top. I did trim it so that the tags or the photos stuck out. I like the way that looks. And then I actually mounted photos on both sides of these ones, and then this one here I have my journaling. And I put the little tabs on the top, and on the back I could have done, you know, some other tab, but I just put the gold washi tape on there, and mostly because I stapled and I didn't want the other staple ends to wreck the photos, right? To scratch the photos while they were in the pocket. So that is what is there. And then I added this piece of vellum. It's a snowflake vellum paper that I had, I've had, I don't know, at least for 10 years, I think. This was from Stampin' Up! I did a scallop border, and to this I washi taped a piece of cardstock. It just happened to like really go with this pocket, so of course I had to throw it in. This is a cut apart holiday traditions, and then I affixed this acrylic snowflake, which I don't have a clue where I got that from. And then on this side is another cut apart with the stockings, and I just put the label, "It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas." This is from Ellie Studios. Then these are the ornaments I created with Tim Holtz dye, and I cut this out of silver cardstock and then colored it with alcohol markers. I think that looks kind of fun. On this side here, I'm just leaving this blank. You know, normally I like to cover the back end, but I'm okay with that. For this, with the Santa hat, I just added the number 10 and kept it as simple as that. And then for this page here, with all the new additions to my decor, I just listed the different items and I numbered them in the corner and added a couple stars to mimic the stars up here. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed, and until next time, happy crafting.